Good morning, dear students. This is Amit sir. We already know that computer works in IPO cycle, that is input, process, output. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, programming with QBasic. So what is QBasic? QBasic is a simple programming software. QBasic stands for Quick Basic. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Here, we write simple codes to generate a program. We write the source code of the program and then convert here to generate a program. QBasic is a very old programming language. Nowadays, many other software that are used in place of QBasic, as QBasic does not support directly Windows 10. Now let's see how we can work with QBasic. To start QBasic, click on the QBasic icon on your desktop. Next, you can see a window like this. The QBasic window has mainly 5 parts. Let's discuss about them one by one. The top part is called title bar, this one. The upper part is called title bar. It is located at the top of the QBasic window. Here you will find the minimize, maximize or restore button and the close button. The next one is menu bar. It is just located below the title bar, where you will get different types of options like file, edit, view, search, run and options. Also you will get the help option there. When you click on them, you will get a submenu from which you can run many commands that are available in QBasic. The next one is the working area. You can see the cursor is blinking here. This part is called working area. Here we can write the source code of the program, later which is converted into a program by click on this run option. The next part is the program name or name of the program. This one you can see it is written untitled here, as I have not yet saved the new program. Whenever we start a program, a new page or a new program, then it is first given a name as untitled, as no name is given yet. Later when we save it, you can see the name of the program at that time here. The next and the last part is status bar. This is the status bar. When you compile the program, the status bar will provide you various details like if there is any bug in the program. Also, if there is any error in the program, where is the error, and the shortcut keys that we can use during writing the program. Now let's see how we can create a new program in QBasic. To create a new program in QBasic, first go to File menu, then click on New option. A new page will open where you can write the program. You can also press the shortcut key Ctrl+N together in your keyboard to start a new program. Then a untitled page will be open where you can write your program. The next option, how we can save the program. To save a program, first click on the File menu, then click on the Save option, or you can just press the S button. You can see the highlighted letters here like N, O, S. So whenever you click on the File menu, then you can just press the S button from your keyboard, or directly you can press Ctrl+S button together from your keyboard. You will find the Save As dialog box will open. Then you have to select the folder where you want to save the file. Also, you have to give a file name. So I am giving here a file name, first program, and then click on the OK button. So the program is now saved. You can see the program name also here. That is also displayed on the title bar. Now let's check how we can open a previous program that already we have created. So first click on the file menu, then click on the open option. From here you can select any of the previous files that you already created. If the file is located in another drive, you can select the drive from here and go to the particular path. You can see the path here, and later select that particular file. Just select the file and click on OK. You can see the file is now open. Another way, you can also press Ctrl plus O keys together from your keyboard to directly open the open dialog box. From here you have to follow the same way. Just select the file and click on OK to open the file. So that's all for the day. We will discuss more about QBasic in our next class. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.